Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a hack for both blending sponges and makeup brushes. I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys today because I have been doing this hack for the past few weeks and testing it out and making sure that it's cool so that I can show it to you guys. So I ended up coming up with this rinse that I like to do after they have already been cleaned. It is so incredibly easy to do. It will work for literally anyone, and you can also customize it too and kind of change things up and use different things that you want to use that you know work well for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let me know if you guys have any hacks or tricks or tips for your makeup brushes or blending sponges down in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. You'll be needing a pitcher, cucumbers. I just got these fresh from the grocery store. I'm only gonna be using one for this mixture. This is 100% aloe vera gel. I also got this from the grocery store, and there's no color added. It is also fragrance free. And lastly, you'll be needing jojoba oil. I got this from Amazon for a pretty good deal. It's 100% pure, natural, unrefined, and chemical free. So first I'm going to show you guys how to make the cucumber water. Pretty simple. You just cut your cucumber. I'm weird about the ends, so we're going to go ahead and cut those off. The reason I'm using cucumber water is because it helps to brighten the skin, minimizes pores, it helps to diminish dark circles, and it heals blemishes over time. So I love using cucumber water, but you can also do rose water, coconut water, anything like that. It's totally up to you and your skin concerns and what you think will work best. And you just want to grab your cucumbers and drop them in. In order to get the benefits from the cucumber, you absolutely want this to brew overnight. So make sure that you get this done the day before you know that you're going to be cleaning your makeup brushes and sponges. So I've got a nice big bowl here. So I want to set that down and place your beauty blenders or just one blending sponge in there, however many you want to do. I usually only do as many as I'm going to be using that day. I'm going to take a cup, pour the cucumber water in. Another cup. I'm going to throw in some cucumbers too. Then I do a tablespoon of aloe vera. And this is going to help soothe the skin, relieve dryness, reduce inflammation, and it heals wounds. Then I'm going to put in the jojoba oil, which helps to moisturize the skin. And it doesn't clog pores. It basically just helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It treats scars, acne, and it keeps the oil levels in your face balanced. Then you just want to take your hand and kind of swirl it around to mix everything together. I just like to squeeze them so I can make sure that they're fully absorbing everything. And once you're ready to take them out, you just give a little squeeze, and then I just place them on a paper towel and take them over to my vanity so I can go get ready with them. You can also do this rinse for makeup brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in a cup of the cucumber water, a tablespoon of aloe vera, and a pump of the jojoba oil. So these are the clean makeup brushes that I'm going to rinse. I'll just swirl it around in there. And then I'll use my fingers like this to massage the brush hairs and then go back in again. And that should be good. So I'll show you guys again with another brush. This one's a little bigger, but it'll work all the same. You do want to make sure that your brushes are clean before you do this. Get some more cucumber in there. Like, you notice as you're massaging it in with your fingers how much softer your brush feels immediately. And just make sure you don't have too much water in there before you let it dry. So here are all the brushes after the rinse. And another little hack that I like to do is when I'm letting my brushes dry, I like them to be slightly elevated, so I just kind of do a little roll like that on the towel that I'll be using. And then you can just lay your brushes right on top of it, just to make sure that the water doesn't seep into the glue. And then you want to leave them like that for a few hours so that they can dry. But like I said, this is really quick and easy to do. you know, especially if this is like the last step to your cleansing routine for your brushes. So I already used moisturizer on my face earlier, just so that I could let it sink into my skin. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness. And now I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to use the Professional. This is the new Pearl Primer. It's from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm just going to rub this between my fingertips and then distribute it evenly all over. Gently blot the blending sponge that we soaked all over my face like this, and it just helps the primer to press in. Oh god, it smells so good too. That's another thing I forgot to say. That it makes your brushes and your blending sponges smell like cucumber. And it just feels so soothing on the skin. And if you use it right away, then you'll get all the benefits of the cold water. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation today. I have it in 3C1 Dune. I've really been liking this foundation because it just like flew that way. Sometimes you have to be careful when it squirts out because it's just like really powerful. But I just put it on with my fingertip like this. But I like this foundation because it is really full coverage and it does a good job of making it look like I'm not sick. Like I've been sick for the past week. So annoying. When I wear this foundation, you can't even tell that I've blown my nose like a million times. And you'll notice right away how much nicer your foundation will blend into your skin. And especially because of the cold water, it's so soothing. Feels so good on the skin. It's like a refresher, kind of wakes you up a little bit. It really helps to lock in the moisture, reduces redness, brightens your complexion, seals your pores, does a lot of great things. And I just really love the fact that the jojoba oil kind of helps to blend everything together and makes the blending sponge very soft. So, you know, this is a really great technique if any of you are having sensitive skin. It just calms and soothes everything. You could use argan oil instead of the jojoba oil. I really love maracuja oil. I love marula oil. You know, they're all really great for your skin. So I'm using my concealer now, and this is from Makeup Forever actually. It's in R32. It's the Ultra HD. So I'm going to use again my same blending sponge from Shiny Cosmetics and dab that all in. Gosh, I can't even tell you guys how amazing this feels. Like I feel like I'm getting a spa treatment or something. Facial. I'm getting a facial. That's what it feels like. I'm going to set with the Peach Perfect from Too Faced Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. Tap it off on the back of my hand, and then I put it under my eyes and then around my nose area. Okay, so then I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in Almond. And I'm going to work this on top of my cheekbones, forehead, nose, and jawline, and also down the sides of my nose. I'm just going to use this to tap the product in. Look at that. See, I thought that this blended in really fast before. This blends in 10 million times faster now. I just feel like it makes everything go by so much faster. e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Cream. I'm going to put this darker shade on back here, and then the tip of my nose, a little bit on the outer corners of my forehead. Blend it in again with this guy. Apply a little bit of the blush to the apples on my cheeks. Again, use this to blend it out. e.l.f. Targeted Neutral Glow Stick. What is this shade? It's in Champagne Glow. And I'm just going to use from this Maybelline Master Bronze Bronze and Highlight Kit, the highlighter. I'm going to put it along the top of my cheekbones just with my finger. And again, blend it in. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of these bronzer shades here, and I'm going to put this under my eye. It just feels so soft and smooth, like you'll never get that scratchy feeling. And it blends product out beautifully. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up down below, and if you end up trying it out, I would seriously love to know what your thoughts are on it down in the comments below. And if you have any hacks that you personally like to do for your beauty blenders or for your makeup brushes, then go ahead and leave that in the comments below too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!